Hi guys, welcome to Veurink's RV Center. We've been family owned and operated since 1954. My name is Parker, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough video of the 2750 BHS Aspen Trail from Dutchmen RV. We are the dealer for this trailer. We are not the manufacturer. If you currently have a trailer that you're interested in trading in, please give us a call. We're paying top dollar for used campers right now as we need them. Our used inventory is a little depleted, so give us a call. With that said, let's get on with the show. So this 2750 BHS floor plan is going to be a bunk house that's going to sleep 8 to 10 people for you. Going to weigh in at 6,300 pounds and come in at just under 32 feet overall lengthwise. It can be very easy to get in and out of most parks. It's going to have a lot of great features. Let's take a look at the bunk area. So here in the back area of the camper, we're going to have our bunk house and our bathroom, which is where we're going to start. Spacious bathroom that's going to have a skylight in the shower for you. One nice thing about Aspen Trails is the interior height. It's 82 inches tall, so you have plenty of headroom. Skylight's going to give you a little more room. You do have a vent in there, and then you have a heat register as well, so if you have your furnace on. One thing I want to point out about the about the countertop in the bathroom there is that it's a one-piece seamless countertop. You're going to notice that throughout the rest of the Aspen Trail. I'll get to that in a minute. No more of that T-mold though, so it's not going to peel off, and you're not going to have to replace it. Storage above and below the sink too. And then we're going to have our bunk area, which Aspen Trail does a really nice job with. They're going to be wide open bunks. You're going to use their teddy bear mattress. Sorry, they're going to be very soft and very comfortable to sleep on. You do have 2 LED lights for each bunk, and then you're also going to have USB ports for the top and bottom bunk as well. A ladder here, which is very rare to find in a travel trailer. So this is going to be very nice, easy for the kids to get up and down. So here in the kitchen area of the 2750, we're going to start towards the back where we're going to find our pantry with 2 deep shelves, plenty of space for all that food you're going to be bringing with you, and then a wardrobe area for the bunks for the kiddos and all their belongings. And then we're going to have a nice little cubby above our fridge here, and then we're going to have our 6 cubic foot fridge, which is going to be plenty of space for all those goods you want to bring with you. And then we're going to move into our appliances, which are going to be stainless steel. We're going to have our microwave up here, which can be big enough for your bag's popcorn, reheating, all those leftovers. And then we're going to have some storage to the left here. One nice thing about Aspen Trail's cabinets is all of them are going to be deep. They're going to have a lot of depth, so plenty of space to bring everything with you. We're going to have our sink down here, which is going to have a nice high-rise faucet and a sink cover too. And then our large farm-style sink. One thing about Aspen Trail's countertops that they just changed through this year is they're going to be a one-piece seamless countertop. It's going to be really nice. I mentioned it back in the bathroom. Getting away from that T-mold style, so you know, traditionally you always had the peeling off, you had to replace it and whatnot. You don't have to worry about that anymore with the new one-piece seamless. So that's a really nice addition that Aspen Trail did. A lot of countertop space in this 2750 though. Plenty of space to put all your coffee pots, crock pots, whatnot. We're going to have our 3-burner cooktop here, our stainless steel oven down below, and then we're going to have a lot of storage down here too, which actually is going to consist of some drawers, which is hard to find in RVs nowadays, but these are going to be full extension as well. Something Aspen Trail does a really, really good job with. All 3 of them. And then we're going to have more storage down here as well. Plenty of space in there for a trash can. So here in our super slide, which is going to be on the off-door side of the 2750, we're going to talk about our dinette and our couch. Starting with our huge U-shaped dinette here. You're going to notice that they take that one-piece seamless countertop that I was talking about earlier, and they even use it on the dinette too. So they're putting it everywhere, just a lot less worry for you. One thing I like about Aspen Trail's dinettes is that it's versatile. You can have it sitting like this, you know, more for the whole family to sit around, or you can actually turn it and put it up against the wall to make it more of a 4-person dinette if you're playing some cards at night or some board games. There's a 3rd peg down there, and that back bench will actually remove, and you can turn the table. We can have different positioning down here as well. One new addition to Aspen Trail is is their ledges down here. Traditionally, these have been just little wood ledges that weren't very wide. Well, Aspen Trail now went to kind of a rubber stopper almost. That's going to be wider, a lot sturdier too. So if you do need to put this down to a bed, it's going to be a lot more reliable for you. I was very excited to see that. You're going to have a lot of windows in your slide out. Large windows are going to open as well, so you can get some nice cross breeze and some ventilation in. You're going to have storage up top here. Again, every cabinet in Aspen Trails are going to be deep, a lot of depth, so you can get everything that you want to bring with you here. You're going to have a jackknife sofa, which is going to consist of a little fold-down cup holder. There we go. And then you're actually going to have storage underneath here too, so if you want to put extra blankets, pillows, and whatnot, you can do that too. One unique thing about Aspen Trail slide outs, I mentioned the interior height being 82 inches. Well, their slides are different as well. These are actually 6-foot slides. So you have a lot of space in here, but one thing I like is that they're a flush floor slide, so you don't have a ramp that you got to go over, worry about twisting your ankle. It's going to be very easy to get in and out of. For you taller folks, it's going to be easier getting out of the slide too if you're sitting on the couch there. So we're going to have our entertainment center here. which is going to consist of, you know, a lot of shelves. You have a lot of storage throughout this 2750 anywhere you go. Spot for your TV here. We're gonna have our AM, FM, DVD, Bluetooth radio, which is gonna be compatible for your phones, tablets, laptops. If you wanna plug those in, play some music through speakers inside or out, you can do that as well. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. So up front here, we have our master bedroom. This is where Aspen Trail really excels, along with a lot of other things too. You're gonna have a lot of storage, a shelf here. The bed is gonna be unique though, where it's a 60 by 80 residential queen bed. So if you have a mattress at home that you really like and want to put in here, if you already have sheets at home, you don't have to worry about going out and buying new ones or customized ones. It's gonna be just your residential style, so you're gonna feel like you're right at home too. Wood pocket doors instead of your curtain or just nothing at all. So that's very nice too, very reliable. A lot of value added there. You're gonna have his and her wardrobes. One unique thing about it is on the right side, so that'd be the door side. Producer Molly can scan over there. You're gonna have your a little cutout there that you see. There's actually a wooden piece that goes over top of that. That goes down to your pass-through storage. What I have a lot of customers use that for is actually a laundry chute. They'll put a basket down there, throw your dirty clothes down, out of sight, out of mind. Very nice and convenient for you too. You're gonna have windows on both sides of the bedroom, and they're both gonna open, so you can get some nice cross breeze and some ventilation, and helping you get some natural light in there. So here on the exterior of the 2750 Aspen Trail, I want to start on the off-door side. Main reason is going to be our baggage door. Typically with most trailers, you're going to have the larger door on the door side of it. Not with Aspen Trail. They're going to be the same size on both sides. Why that's important and why I want to point that out is for some of your larger items and your wider items too. If they get shifted around while you're towing it to the campground, sometimes it's going to be difficult if this door is smaller. You have to try to push them back over there and get them out. Not with Aspen Trail. With these being the same size, it's going to make it a lot easier, a lot more convenient for you too if stuff does move around. Moving towards the front here, I want to talk about Aspen Trail's aluminum and their construction. A lot of manufacturers out there are going to use the similar thickness of aluminum on the sides of the camper, and they might do a thicker one on front. They might do like a 0.032 and then 0.024, which is going to be your standard on the sides. Well, with Aspen Trail, they use a 0.030 all the way around. So that's going to be on the front, that's going to be on every side. It's going to be more durable, it's going to last longer and hold up better against the elements as well, and just be a better built trailer for you in those regards. Moving on the door side here, we have our solar prep. So if you'd like to plug in a solar panel, help trickle charge your battery if you're doing some boondocking or some dry camping, you have that option. And then this is going to be the other side of the pass-through storage. This is something Aspen Trail does an excellent job with. It's going to be wide open, plenty of space to get everything in there that you want to bring with you. Then we're going to have our patio space, which you have a huge power awning with an LED light strip underneath it. Outside speakers if you want to play some music through that as well, or listen to the ball game. We have our main entry door. It's going to be a triple step entry, which is really nice. Sometimes these are just a dual step. It's nice to see them be a triple step. And then you're going to have a large assist grab handle here too, making it easy to get in and out of the camper. Moving towards the back of it, we have our freshwater connection here. One unique thing about Aspen Trail is you're going to be a heated and enclosed underbelly, so you can do some extending camping throughout the season. But then also you're going to have really nice tank sizes. Your freshwater tank is going to be a 52 gallons, so if you do some boondocking or you fill your own freshwater tank, it's going to be a really nice size for you. You have your hot water here, which is going to be 6 gallons. It's going to be gas or electric. It's going to be DSI, which is direct spark ignition as well. So just inside, flip a switch on, and you're good to go. One nice feature about the 2750 is going to be the outside kitchen. So you're going to have a nice little mini fridge here, put some pops in and whatnot, and then we're going to have a 2-burner cooktop and a sink here too, with the detachable faucet that you can use as well, and then actually some storage back here. Some storage there too with an outlet, so if you want to plug any electronics into. On the back of the camper, you're going to be backup camera prepped. So if you'd like to put a Furion backup camera on there, that's a really nice system. It's a little bit different than your typical backup camera. For more information on that, feel free to give me a call, go over that. It's an observation camera. Again, I can explain more of that if you want to give me a call. And you're going to have an outside shower, which is going to be hot and cold option too with your spray hose. And this one in particular came with a spare tire. Not all of them might not have that. So if you're looking at one on the website, give us a call so we can confirm that the one you're looking at has that. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my walkthrough video of the 2750 BHS Aspen Trail. Here at Veurink RV Center, we like to have fun and like to help you out as best we can. If you found this video helpful, please go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and like the video. Go to our Facebook page, like the page, leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing. Even though we're sad this video had to come to an end, our hearts will go on, and we'd love to have you guys come out and visit us. Again, we need used campers, so if you have a trade that you'd like to see what it's worth, give me a call. Be more than happy to do that. Thanks, guys.